Hello and welcome to part 2 of the Lake District North to South. If you haven't already watched part 1, please go back, have a watch of that. But if you're here for part 2, I hope you enjoy the video.
You got genuine.
Wait, don't you do the best one?
Come on, boys.
Oh, you are good at that. Welcome. I like it how it starts like this, and towards the end of the day, we just like can't be asked. And we all just go for them. Straight down here.
You can always tell when I've had enough because I just get really angry.
You're mean.
Don't.
Mean boy, mean boy.
Mean. My big toe's wet.
Huh.
Stop jingling.
I'm not even jingling. Does the path just keep going?
Yeah.
Let's go slightly down here. It does go slightly down here.
I am wet through.
I am.
So this bit was actually quite hard to navigate, just because we couldn't see the path. All I could see was just bracken everywhere, but from here you can clearly see where we're supposed to go. But at times he just had to force his way through.
I'm going to be wet through with sweat anyway in about 3 hours, so...
Yeah, that's true. Oop, bit of a drop there.
Yeah, drop there.
Should be a left footpath somewhere. Oh.
There's a footpath there.
That'll be it. Just look at this.
Are we happy with the progress?
I'm living life at the moment, guys.
Yeah.
The camera's on again.
Yeah.
And gels. Where's all gone?
You know when I put this in?
Yeah.
Oh, you dickhead, you do it to yourself. Wascam.
Stop it with that.
Wascam.
My ear hurts. Right bad. That's all. I'll give you 10 quid not to put that on YouTube.
No. More than YouTube's paying me.
Wow.
Wascam.
What's the matter, Joe?
I'm jealous.
Well, do it then.
It's got to be wet. Is it out of 10?
Honestly, it's a fucking 10.
Right, do this then. What are you going to do with your wet clothes?
You haven't thought that far ahead, have you, Dean? Dean, what are you going to do about your wet top now?
Hang on, his bag probably.
Look at this. Look at this. This is what you call a man.
Oh, the stones are so sharp.
Stop crying.
My watch is going to be like, you've
Swimming.
been hiking, what are you fucking doing swimming?
Get in there.
Hey boy.
Is it nice?
Oh,
Is it nice?
it's so good.
I fucking told you.
It's so good at
Danny.
swimming.
We're finally in, love. further now. See where we are.
Yeah.
Assess the sitch.
A couple more KR.
Yeah, I think so.
As soon as I hit record, fucking nearly deck it. Oh.
Toilets as well. Second pint already.
Cheers.
Please drive carefully.
No,
I'm
mate.
not driving, I'm walking.
Please walk carefully.
Oh, I can't do that. We should get to the campsite, but at least 7.
I hope so. If we get something to eat and get back, we've got an hill to do.
Oh shit.
But then I'm looking at Google Maps.
Yeah.
So it's on about where we're going to the next campsite. So on here it says that we got 4.4k remaining. We've also got this hill to tackle,
Yeah.
Fuck my life.
295. But if we look on Google Maps and I've done a walking route to there,
Yeah?
it's come up at 2.2 miles to walk there.
Okay.
Through there, that's what Google Maps is saying. 2.2 miles, so 2.2 miles in K is actually 3.5. So,
Yeah.
do you reckon that's going to be better to do that
Of course it will be, yeah.
rather than, because that's 4.4, so it's a K less.
Yeah. Well, that food.
Well, there's some stuff down there. We're going to walk down there.
Yep.
If there's nothing there, that brings you back round to Co-op.
Right, okay.
We're going to have to go back up there anyway, so we're going to walk down there, have a check and... Dean loves to set up his
I just love getting my poles out. How am I doing? Obviously fine.
Smash me, I don't fucking look, I've got it on camera.
My feet hurt.
What's the matter, Joe?
My feet hurt.
Let's have a look.
What's that blister? On there.
Oh no.
Sorry.
Yeah.
That blister there.
Oh, yeah.
There. Blister there.
That's a corker, that. You're fucked. What a sad boy.
Stupid mountain. It was up there, looking at you, being sad, saying, "I wish we were here." Now I'm here, but I'm still sad.
Oh, I didn't realise it was like a 1 mile walk.
Yeah, this campsite has got the longest entrance to a campsite I have ever seen.
Okay, that is the end of day 2. We have day 3 coming up, which is quite a long day, it's like 30k, and at this point my feet were killing me. I fell into a bog and got my feet wet and I just could not get them dry. So what I think in order is a good night's sleep, so good night.